This month in our real estate market update video, we're going to share some numbers on how November is ending up and what the whole year of 2021 is starting to look like as we bring it to a close. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team and eXp Realty. Welcome to Real Estate Now, our real estate market update that we put out monthly, trying to give you the very best local information about what's going on in the real estate market. And today, I want to look at three things. We're going to talk about sales, prices, home prices, and interest rates. Those are the three big drivers in today's market. And so let's just talk about how things ended up in Thanksgiving in November for home sales first. Sales for November, largely in the areas that we monitor, the areas that we do all our business in, the sales were even with last year for the month of November, meaning last November was really good home sales wise, and so was this year. Literally, they were within a couple, three sales of each other in all the different areas and neighborhoods that we monitor and largely work in. So sales remained very strong in November. Year to date, we see a range, depending on the exact neighborhood, suburb, subdivision, we see a range from about 3% down to as much as 4% up when we look at home sales compared year over year for 2020 through the end of November versus this year through the end of November. So it's still largely on the whole pretty even when you balance it all out, but depending on the exact area, you can see a little bit of down or a little bit of up. The big story though, home prices. I think we all know that that is the story for 2021. Is the rapid increase in home prices that we've seen. If you're a homeowner and you're building equity, you are super thrilled. If you're a buyer, you probably wish you bought 12 months ago. Here's the thing, if you are a buyer, by the way, a year from now, you'll probably be looking back wishing you'd have bought it this time relative to where prices stand. So keep that in mind. It might not be the best thing ever to wait if you don't want to pay higher and higher prices yet. No sign that home prices are anywhere close to slowing yet. So where are they right now? So for the month of November, we saw a range, again, depending upon the exact neighborhoods, and that, why does that matter so much right now? It's not even about are they the favorable schools or are they closer to the highway? It's really about where there's some inventory of homes for sale and where there's not. And so the range of the price increases is largely being driven by simply a shortage of good sellable inventory. And in most areas it's short on inventory. Some places though, it's extremely short, and that's driving prices even higher. The range we saw, November, for homes that closed in November, the range of increase was somewhere between 11 and 19% year over year, meaning average sale price in November last year compared to this year, 11 to 19% higher than it was in 2020. Huge increase, far larger than anything we've seen in previous years and what's typical for our marketplace. It's an extraordinary increase year over year. For the year, the whole year, year to date, it is a range of about 15 to 18%. So when you account for all the sales from January 1 to November 30 of this year versus that same time last year, home prices, average sale prices up somewhere between 15 and 18%, again depending on the exact area. Doesn't really matter though, big increases no matter where that is. So if you're thinking about selling your home, right now is a magnificent time to do so. Home prices are all-time highs and the demand from buyers is still great, which is continuing to push homes to sell for top dollar, and certainly at the top of the range of top dollar. So if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to know what you need to do to get your home ready for sale, if you'd like to know what it's likely going to sell for in today's market, or you have any questions at all that we can help you with relative to getting your home prepared for market and getting it sold, please reach out. We'd love to help you. The last topic I wanted to tackle is interest rates. If you are a home buyer, this still is a pretty awesome time for you. Right now, 30-year fixed rate loans are literally still hovering around 3%, which historically almost makes it free money. That's crazy cheap. And so while yes, the home prices are higher, the mortgage rate that you're getting helps keep down that monthly payment in a way that probably can't last forever. I'm sure in 2022, we're going to see the mortgage rates go up, and probably more than we hope they will. And so taking advantage of those right now could be a really super smart move. If you'd like to know more about that, if you'd like us to connect you to a fantastic lender to talk to you about what the opportunities and the options are, we're happy to do so. Again, just reach out and let us know how we can help you. It's largely a very robust, fantastic market. It's full of opportunity. You have to know where to look for them. You have to know how to maximize them. If you're thinking about selling, there's definitely strategies we should be talking about relative to getting top dollar, and we definitely love to hear from you. So, however we can help, please reach out to us. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next month.